Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Our word of the day is bar. That's right, bar, an A2 level noun that means a place for drinks. This is a great word to know if you're learning English because it's simple, versatile, and very commonly used. Let's break it down. A bar is a location where people go to enjoy beverages, often alcoholic, like beer, wine, or cocktails. It can also be a social space where people gather to relax, talk, or celebrate. You might hear someone say, "Let's meet at the bar after work," or "This bar has amazing live music." It's a place to unwind and have fun with friends. Some synonyms for bar include pub, which is more common in British English, and tavern, which has a slightly older feel to it. For example, you could say, "We had dinner at a cozy pub near the river," or "That tavern has been around for over 100 years. These words are great alternatives, depending on the context. On the other hand, antonyms for bar might include restaurant, which is typically more focused on serving food rather than drinks. For example, "We decided to skip the bar and go to a nice restaurant instead." Another opposite could be home, as in, "Instead of going to a bar, we stayed at home for drinks and conversation." In everyday life, you'll find bar used in all kinds of situations. You might hear someone say, "I'm going to grab a drink at the bar before the movie starts," or "That new bar downtown is so trendy." It's also part of some popular expressions like raise the bar, which means to set a higher standard, or behind the bar, which refers to someone working as a bartender. Here are a couple of sentences using today's word. After a long week, they headed to their favorite bar to relax and catch up. The hotel had a rooftop bar with a stunning view of the city. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the word bar today. Remember, words like this open up so many possibilities for meaningful communication. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word bar and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun with English.
Goodbye.